Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is New Year Yoga. Let's get started. Okay, stand on the top of the mat. Open your legs about your hip distance. Hands on your hips. Inhale, shoulder blades together. Lift up your sternum. Look toward the ceiling, toward the sky. Open your chest toward the sky to get a lot of sun rays, sunshines. Stay there. Little back bend here. Four corner of your feet pressing down, kneecap lifting up. Using your core, navel to the spine. And shoulder blades engaged, sternum up. Inhale, exhale back to center. And exhale all the way down, forward bend, Uttanasana. And from here, a little bit, bring your both hands to one side and to the other side. Again, one side. Relax your shoulders. Tailbone toward the ceiling. Check your four corner of your feet. And to the opposite side. Kneecap lifting up. And from here, inhale halfway up. Spine straight from tailbone to the crown. Exhale, bend your knee, plant your hands, and step back to plank pose. From here, let's do a little bit rocking. Heel to crown one line and slightly shift your body forward and backward to check your core. To check your core if it is engaged. Use your core, navel to the spine. Good. From here, inhale. Either you can bring your knees down this way or directly inhale, exhale, chaturanga, all the way down. Let's do some sphinx. Forearms down. Make sure to hug your elbow together. Tailbone to ground, long line, shoulders down, away from ears. And lift up your sternum. Make sure your toes pressing down. Inhale to expand your chest. And exhale to release any tension. Relax. Make sure to keep your cervical vertebra neck also long, create space between. Use your core to press your chest up. Now tuck your toes, bend your knees, use your arm, getting back to downward facing dog. Joystick gaze between your legs. And inhale, right leg up. So you can stay here, but if you want to have a New Year challenge, I invite you to do the following. Okay? You are welcome to stay here, or if you want to have a little bit more challenge, bend your knees and slowly with control drop your leg down and open your chest sternum like a jazz dancer. And with control, slowly bring back your right leg to the sky and step between your hands. Okay, back heel up, keeping your hips square. Inhale, arms up. And here, let's interlace your hands behind. Shoulder blades engage, sternum up. Inhale, exhale, slow, slightly back bend. Soften your shoulders. Sink your hips. Back heel pressing against invisible wall. Front knee bend. And from here, back heel down. And inhale, front knee bend. 45-degree angle, bend forward, humble warrior. 5 deep breath. Navel engage, navel to the spine. Shoulder blades together. Back heel pressing down. The outer edge of back foot pressing down as well. Frontal press down. Inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. And straighten your knee. Let's do Trikonasana. Triangle pose. Both knees straight, kneecap lifting up. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, reach, 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 reach. Then slowly place your hands on the mat or ankle or on a shin. Make sure top shoulder, top hip rotating backward. Bottom shoulder, bottom hip rotating forward. Revolve your upper body. And if you're drishti, gaze up, make sure bring your chin down slightly down compared to your forehead to strengthen and align your neck. Inhale, after 5 deep breaths, exhale back to straight. From here, inhale, let's do reverse Trikonasana. Triangle, reverse triangle pose. Soften your shoulder, don't bring your shoulders up. All 10 toes pressing down. Extend your arm. Open your sternum just to the sky. And back to center. Pedal your hands. Back to plank pose. Inhale. Exhale is bring your knees down or keeping your knees up. Exhale, chaturanga to upper facing dog, Uba Mukha Shavasana. Open up your chest to get a lot of sun rays. And exhale to either bend your knee, tuck, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, left leg sway up. Same variation as before. You can stay here, or if you want to have a little bit more challenge, bend your knees. Slowly drop your left leg down to the floor and open up your chest. Reach your arms. And exhale slowly with control. Bring back your leg to the sky. Exhale, step between. Back heel up. Keep your hips square. Inhale. And interlace your hands behind. Open your chest. Engage your shoulder blades. And slightly your drishti gaze up. Back heel pressing down. Psoas. Forward. Keep your hip square. Front knee bend deep. Sink your hips down. Kneecap lifting up toward ceiling. And now straight center, straight your knee, back heel down. Inhale, exhale, front knee bend. Look 45-degree angle and humble warrior. Inhale, exhale for 1, Breathe in for 2. Make sure all 10 toes relax and firmly pressing down on the mat. Back heel, outer edge of your back foot pressing down strong. And inhale, halfway exhale, all the way up. Front knee bend, front knee straight. Okay? Inhale, shoulder, hips, keep in one plane. One plane. Inhale, exhale, reach, 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 reach. Same variation as before. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Make sure your gaze is up, forehead higher than your chin. Rotate, revolve your upper body. Firmly plant back foot down on the mat. Inhale, exhale, full expression of your pose. And next exhale, slowly come back. And inhale, reverse Trikonasana. Soft your shoulders, kneecap lifting up, 10 toes press down. Try to feel long stretch on your side. And back to straight center. Pedal your hands. Plank pose. Inhale, exhale, Chaturanga, Ubha Mukha Shavasana, upper facing dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Let's take 5 deep breaths here. Drishti, gaze between your legs. 10 finger, 10 toes, spread wide and down. Navel to the spine. Shoulders away from ears. Heels down. Tailbone high up toward the sky. Inhale on your toes. Bend your knees, step or jump. Inhale, halfway up. And exhale down. Uttanasana. Inhale, arms up. Hands heart center, Samasthri. What better way to start the new year? A great yoga session. So let's do it. And check out my other video in the comment section. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!